Fix in 5. Got a P0628? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Engine cranks but does not start or starts intermittently. Loss of fuel pressure. Engine stalls while driving. Check engine light illuminated. Vehicle will not turn over. Now the most likely causes. Fuel pump relay failure or malfunction. Fuel pump control circuit open or short. Faulty fuel pump. Damaged wiring in fuel pump circuit. PCM, ECU fuel pump control failure. What does it cost? Roughly €15 minus 45 doing it yourself, or €55 minus 85 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace fuel pump relay. Repair or replace damaged wiring in fuel pump circuit. Replace faulty fuel pump assembly. Replace fuel pump control module if defective. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0628? Driving with P0628 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0628. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.